Only true car experts can pass this quiz. Can you score 15 out of 15? Let's begin. Question 1. Which rare luxury coupe is this? A. 1956 Continental Mark II. B. 1957 Cadillac Eldorado, Brougham. C. 1955 Chrysler C300. D. 1958 Lincoln Premier. The correct answer is A. 1956 Continental Mark II. Question 2. Identify this high-performance 50s legend. A. 1953 Buick Skylark. B. 1957 fuel-injected Corvette. C. 1955 Ford Thunderbird. D. 1956 Packard Caribbean. The correct answer is B. 1957 fuel-injected Corvette. Question 3. What is this rare European microcar? A. 1958 BMW 600. B. 1955 Messerschmitt KR 200. C. 1957 Fiat 500. D. 1959 Isetta 300. The correct answer is B. 1955 Messerschmitt KR 200. Question 4. Which luxury sedan are we looking at? A. 1954 Packard Patrician. B. 1956 Imperial Crown. C. 1955 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special. D. 1958 Buick Limited. The correct answer is D. 1958 Buick Limited. Question 5. Identify this stylish convertible. A. 1953 Cadillac Eldorado. B. 1957 Oldsmobile Super 88 convertible. C. 1956 Lincoln Premier convertible. D. 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. The correct answer is A. 1953 Cadillac Eldorado. Subscribe if you can still score 15 out of 15. Question 6. Which iconic muscle precursor is this? A. 1955 Chrysler C300. B. 1957 Dodge D500. C. 1956 Mercury Montclair. D. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville. The correct answer is A. 1955 Chrysler C300. Question 7. What is this limited production classic? A. 1956 Dual Gaia convertible. B. 1957 DeSoto Adventurer. C. 1955 Nash Ambassador. D. 1958 Edsel Corsair. The correct answer is A. 1956 Dual Gaia convertible. Question 8. A. 1959 Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sprint. B. 1957 Porsche 356 Speedster. C. 1955 Jaguar XK140. D. 1958 Mercedes-Benz 190 SL. The correct answer is B. 1957 Porsche 356 Speedster. Question 9. Identify this futuristic 50s concept-style car. A. 1956 GM Firebird 2. B. 1958 Ford Nucleon. C. 1955 Lincoln, Futura, D. 1957, Chrysler Norseman. The correct answer is C. 1955, Lincoln Futura. Question 10. Which classic station wagon is this? A. 1957 Chevrolet Nomad, B. 1956 Ford Park Lane, C. 1955 Plymouth Suburban, D. 1958 Mercury Colony Park. The correct answer is A. 1957 Chevrolet Nomad. Question 11. What is this rare American luxury car? A. 1958 Studebaker Golden Hawk, B. 1956 Packard Executive, C. 1957 Imperial LeBaron, D. 1955 Hudson Hornet. The correct answer is C. 1957 Imperial LeBaron. Question 12. Which unique design classic is this? A. 1950 Nash Airflight, B. 1954 Kaiser Darren, C. 1956 Studebaker Skyhawk, D. 1953 Willys Aero Ace. The correct answer is B. 1954 Kaiser Darren. Question 13. Identify this rare performance car. A. 1957 Rambler Rebel, B. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville, fuel injected, C. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air V8, D. 1956 Ford Fairlane Victoria. The correct answer is B. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville fuel injected. Question 14. A. 1959 Cadillac Series 75 Limousine, B. 1956 Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud 1, C. 1958 Bentley S1, D. 1955 Chrysler Imperial Parade Phaeton. The correct answer is D. 1955 Chrysler Imperial Parade Phaeton. Question 15. Final challenge. Only experts will get this right. A. 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, B. 1958 Buick Roadmaster, C. 1956 Oldsmobile Starfire, D. 1959 DeSoto Adventurer. The correct answer is A. 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz. Only 1% passed this quiz. Subscribe for more expert challenges.